Okay, you guys, this is, I mean, I'm right in downtown London. Just a little baby room. I got my own bathroom, little shower. Okay, so literally this shower has no curtain. It's just absolutely tiny, so we're gonna see how the water sprays everywhere and if we actually get hot water. Yeah, I don't know why there's not even a threshold here into the room. It just like goes everywhere. That would be my only thing here. They definitely need like a shower curtain or just something here to like block it off. So honestly, for 80 bucks for one night to be right in the center of London, not having to stay in a hostel and share everything, this is okay. It's like a little closet. I do feel like Harry Potter in a broom closet, but I have a TV, a fan, little area here. Let's go ahead and see what we got outside. Nothing. This is the Comfort Inn. I booked a single room. It was £78, and it's back in this little area here. So we'll see how good. I mean, for the price that I paid him. There's 10. It's my room, number 11. Okay, so welcome to the Comfort Inn, Westminster, pretty much right in the center of the city of London. I mean, I'm really close. A 10-minute walk to Big Ben, a 10-minute walk that way to Buckingham Palace. So there's some cool spots to see around here. But as you can tell, this room is tiny. I feel like it's Harry Potter in a broom closet. No joke. It's small, but for one night staying here, it's just, I came in the afternoon, I'm here, I'm gonna throw my stuff down, and then I'm gonna head out and start walking around and enjoy the views and the sights. So the reason I picked this room was because it came out to be about 80, probably like 90 bucks, because it was 78 pounds. So it was probably about 85, 90 bucks, which I felt was pretty reasonable for staying in central London, because down in this area things are expensive. But as you can tell, things are, it's really small. Like, but I'm not a big person either, so this works out. I would say if you're kind of a tall person or a bigger person, this might be a little bit uncomfortable. But the other thing is, I noticed that there were hostels listed for like 60, 70, 80 bucks to share a room, a dorm room with other people. And if you like hostels, cool, but that's not my preference. I like to have my own space, and I don't think I'll really be pulling my computer out to do any work because as you can see, the desk is small, but the room is secure. Things are a little bit dated, things are a little scuffed, right? It's not, anything amazing, but coming in here, everything is clean. Let me look at the bed. Yeah, the bed sheets are clean. Everything is clean here, so there's really nothing I can complain about, right? Like, everything seems pretty decent. So if you're coming to London and you're on a budget and you're just one person, this might be somewhere to stay. Honestly though, I don't think I could stay in this room for more than one night, because it's really small. Usually at a hotel room, I like to kind of spread out and stuff, but this is kind of an adventure. So it's cool to see, it's cool to experience, but one night is cool. I think if I had to spend more than one night here, I would get a little bit claustrophobic. However, welcome to the Comfort Inn, Westminster, here in the center of London. All right, so ends the stay here at the Comfort Inn, Westminster in central London. And as always, at some point in my trip, I have to represent my cousins in Texas, in Royce City and the Buc-ee's. Anyway, this Comfort Inn, I thought for the price that I paid, it was 78 pounds. So about $90, somewhere in that range, for one night. As you see, the room is small. I couldn't do more than maybe 1, maybe 2 nights here. And I'm only in London for the weekend. So this was a perfect spot. The location was great. Check-in was really good. There's always someone at the front desk. I think for the price that I paid for this hotel room, things were good. Do I feel like Harry Potter in the broom closet? Absolutely. It's small. But that's what you get for the, you know, roughly 80 pounds. In all, this place was not bad to stay at. So if you're on a budget in London and you're coming to visit and you like to stay in a place by yourself, which I prefer, I don't like to stay at hostels anymore. When I was in my 20s, it didn't bother me as much, but now, no. So for 1 person, this is fine. 2 people definitely would not be comfortable in this room at all. So on to the next, now to tour, go see some more of London, and then on the National Express bus, which is a 2-hour ride back to London Gatwick, where I've booked a hotel at the Travelodge next to the airport. That one was £50 for the night, which I think is good. So we'll see what that looks like. So you'll want to make sure to click that subscribe button and follow along on this playlist of London for different tips and tricks on what it's like, especially if you're taking a flight from Gibraltar to London for the weekend. This is absolutely perfect. The price that I paid for this room, this central location, is awesome. Thanks so much for watching the Spain Gibraltar channel. I'll see you soon.